You're a superhero. Just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close.
Firstly, we are making non-password zip file. For that, create a folder in ZArchiver for cutting and pasting your needs.
Will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle.
Select the folders you need to make the zip file. I am taking the files I want and cut it to the folder. Cut and paste to the folder that you created.
Just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted